Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Schaeffler, Rajasthan Tube, ABB, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 253. Rajasthan Tube announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 21st April 2025. Schaeffler India Limited. Schaeffler share is trading around rupees 2980. Schaeffler India announced a dividend of rupees 28, that is 1400% per share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 23rd April 2025. Ashiana Housing Limited. Ashiana share is trading around rupees 270. Ashiana Housing announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 28th April is fixed as the ex date and record date. Acme Fintrade India Limited AFIL share is trading around rupees 79. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Acme Fintrade, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th April 2025. Mercury Trade Links Limited. Current market price rupees 20. Mercury Trade Links also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Mercury Trade Links. Ranjit Mechatronics Limited. Current market price rupees 27. Ranjit Mechatronics also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. 18th April is fixed as the record date for the stock split. AMI Organics Limited. AMI Org share is trading around rupees 2132. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 25th April 2025. ABB India Limited. ABB share is trading around rupees 5031. ABB India announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. 3rd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Hexaware Technologies Limited. Hext share is trading around rupees 635. Hexaware Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 5.75 per share. 15th April is fixed as the ex date and record date. Vesuvius India Limited. Vesuvius current price rupees 4070. Vesuvius India also announced a dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. 1st May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. KSB Limited. KSB current price rupees 706. KSB announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 2nd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. CIE Automotive India Limited. CIE India current market price rupees 387. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 23rd April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. CRISIL Limited share is trading around rupees 4232. CRISIL announced a dividend of rupees 26 per share. 11th April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. SBC Export Limited. SBC current market price rupees 12.5. SBC Exports announced the stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 1000 shares of SBC Export, your 1000 shares convert to 2000 shares. 10th May is fixed as the ex date and record date for the stock split. Sanofi India Limited. Sanofi share is trading around rupees 6028. Company announced a dividend of rupees 117. 25th April is fixed as the ex date and record date. Sanofi Consumer Healthcare India Limited. Sanofi Con current market price rupees 4878. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55. Ex date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 28th April 2025. Elendas Beck Limited. Current market price rupees 9780. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Ellen Tasbeck. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.